院里 by Lin Hui. The Taokas Plains, Yuanli's first. Long wove rush mats, their skills diverse. Ancestors pioneered the land with care. Now a thriving town stands there. Poem by Lin Hui.
Hi everyone, I'm Will. We're in a town in the southwest of Miaoli County that has kept its traditional architecture and classic craftsmanship alive. Some call it the Granary of Miaoli. This is Yuanli. Yuanli is bordered by the Da'an River and Taichung City's Dajia District, Huoyan Mountain and Sangyi Township to the east, Tongxiao Township to the north, and the Taiwan Strait to the west. Yuanli earned the nickname the Granary of Miaoli because it has some of the few plains in the area and the Da'an River, which starts on the west side of Xueshan, a key source of irrigation. The calcium-rich soil from Huoyan Mountain supports a variety of fruits, and Yuanli's fishing harbor boasts ample fish harvests, making Miaoli a true land of richness. Let's begin our adventure through the mountains and rivers. Go! The climate in Yuanli is pleasant and stable, with dry autumns and winters, and rainy springs and summers. Winters are particularly windy with plenty of sunshine by the sea, and that's why Yuanli is ideal for cultivating rice and drying goods that can't be dried elsewhere. Hi, Mr. Zong.
Hello.
Nice,
Hey.
You can smell it even from outside.
The wheat flour.
What are we doing here? Can you show me how to do this?
This is the forming or shaping process. It's out. This is the last step.
So once it's been rolled out, we just move it to the rack?
Yes. Then let it dry outside.
How long does it usually take to dry?
2 days. But on a good day, 1 day is enough.
Oh, so it takes a while.
Yeah, it does take some time. These days, most noodles are dried with machines. Only a few like ours are still sun-dried.
So the purpose of drying the noodles is to remove the moisture?
Yeah, another thing is because it smells good, right? There's that fragrance when exposed to the sun. Letting the noodles dry slowly makes them taste even better.
What you do here can be considered rare.
It's uncommon. That's why we've got to pass it on.
Let me take these.
Okay, thank you.
Grab these and then put it here, right?
Yes.
These noodles smell amazing.
Yeah, it does.
You can smell it even from afar. Where or how do you typically sell your noodles?
Mostly through word of mouth.
That's how people find out.
Yeah, you'll want more once you've tried it. Some folks drive all the way from Taipei just to buy our noodles.
Wow.
Well, one taste and they're hooked.
Are these the handmade noodles we just made?
Yes.
Amazing. Can I give it a try? What type of noodle is this?
This is wheat vermicelli.
It looks so springy.
We use bread flour.
Then just add the shallots and mix it all up.
Yeah, just like that. Smells great and will taste even better.
Here we go.
It's good, isn't it?
It's got a nice texture to it. You don't need a lot of seasoning. The noodles' flavor and the fragrant shallots shine on their own.
Yes.
What about this?
We call it oil noodles.
Is this typically made into soup?
Yeah, like yangchun noodles or stir fry them into chow mein. They're pretty versatile.
I'll have a bite.
Go on.
It's a bit thicker. These noodles are relatively thick. They're bouncy.
Yeah.
Both are really tasty.
Being in the food business, we're committed to presenting the best to our customers. Then the demand for quality will keep growing.
That's right. I can really feel how chewy this noodle is.
Yeah, great.
After being dried in the sun, the silky noodles have become more elastic and chewy, as if it's been raised to a whole new level with an aroma that reminds you of sunshine. Even when simply tossed with soy sauce, the noodle's smooth texture will leave you wanting more. Having savored that yummy taste of sunshine, I've heard there's also a taste of the sea that the people in Yuanli have held dear since childhood. Let's find out what it is. Sharks are plentiful in the Yuanli region, but back in the day, transportation and refrigeration were limited, so fishermen turned sharks into fish balls. Surprisingly, they became a huge hit, and Yuanli fish balls became well known. Hi, nice to meet you.
Likewise.
I could smell the fish balls from a distance. It smells so good. Did you just make these?
Yeah, freshly made fish balls.
Freshly made fish balls. Can I eat this?
Yeah, go ahead and try it.
It's piping hot.
Does it taste different from any other places?
Well, it's not what I expected. It's a bit springy halfway through the bite. So bouncy and chewy. I think the taste of this fish is different from what I'm used to. What kind of fish is it?
It's made from pure shark meat that's been ground into a paste.
Shark?
Yeah.
The first thing that comes to mind is the movie Jaws. Do you mean that kind of shark?
No, small to medium-sized hammerhead sharks. They've got eyes on both ends.
Hammerheads?
Yeah.
Oh, are they only found around here?
Back in the day, there were a lot of sharks around here, so locals started making fish balls from them. It became a tradition over time.
Did they make anything other than shark fish balls?
Fish paste from sharks can be used to make different products.
All sorts of products?
Yeah, it's not just fish balls. Different species of fish taste different because their textures and elasticity vary. Back in 1969, the shark catch here was massive, but refrigeration technology wasn't great. People ended up catching more sharks than they could eat. It was hard to store them, so to preserve the meat, locals began processing and turning it into fish balls, creating a tradition that continues today.
The fish balls in Yuanli have a wonderfully chewy texture, bursting with flavors of the sea in every bite. They're a beloved childhood memory for many Yuanli residents and a family tradition passed down through generations. While it's hard work, the joy of working together as a family makes it all worthwhile. Take, for instance, another popular fish ball deli in the area, now proudly run by its third generation. Wow, we've got a lot here, all generously filled. Are these ready to eat?
Absolutely. Go ahead and try one.
Oh, thank you.
There are plenty of other products too, but start with the fish ball.
I hear the fish balls here are the best. Let me give it a try.
I'll take a bite and savor it.
It's so juicy.
You're right. We don't add any starch. It's made entirely from fish.
And I feel like it's a bit more peppery, right?
Spot on. We added some white pepper, giving it a distinct texture and flavor that's different from what you've had elsewhere.
Oh, it's the pure simple taste of fish and white pepper, letting the natural flavor of the fish shine through.
That simplicity is what makes it so good. Adding too many ingredients would compromise the taste. It'll taste off.
What's this?
Tofu meat.
Tofu meat and tempura.
Yeah.
What about this? I can't figure out what this one is.
We call this shark pancake, but it's actually made from vegetables.
Oh, vegetable fritters.
It has carrots and cabbage in it.
Oh, is this something you came up with?
Yeah.
You can savor the natural sweetness of veggies.
Yes.
Then there's that nice blend with the fish.
Yeah, it's a healthier choice.
I saw a lot of people dressed like you when I walked in. Are they all your employees?
They are my family.
Oh, that's a big family.
One big family. There's my wife, my 2 sons, and my daughter-in-law.
Did you start this business yourself? Are you the first generation?
No, I'm second generation. We've been in business for over 50 years. I've been working here for more than 30 years. I learned the skills from my dad. As for my kids, they started working here right after they graduated high school. This team is our family, working together as one.
You had a baby with you a while ago, right?
Yeah, my grandson.
You're a grandpa?
Yep,
I wouldn't have guessed. No wonder the food here tastes comforting and warm.
it tastes like home.
Starting with the first owner who caught and sold fish to support his family, they later switched to selling fish balls at the market. Now in its third generation, the tradition of making fish balls continues to tell the tale of Yuanli people's unwavering dedication and hard work on this land.